Y'all gonna make some art with us? Awesome. We're really interested in doing free art making in our communities and different communities in Chicago. The FrankenToyMobile deconstructs toys and asks the question of what kind of toys do you want to imagine for yourself and for others.
Yeah, I need some tea.
Aquil, through the mobile music box, ends up creating musical instruments out of found objects.
Setting up some bongos, some steel can bongos. These things often get thrown out, so I try to reuse as many materials as possible. And that's basically like how you would tune a drum by tightening the skin. So this is the same thing. If you want to make it a higher pitch, then you pull it tighter. See how it sounds, if you like the sound.
The art cart sticks to like very specific art making that's tied into grassroots movements.
And then you're done. And now pin it.
This has been such a great collaboration. I'm the Vice President of Neighbors for Environmental Justice. We wanted to frame a positive message in regards to, environmental issues through art.
I love the nature because it has a lot of animals and a lot of insects. Oh, thanks.
People can leave with curiosity and wonder about art making and the potential as a way to interact and be present with others.